Hi, welcome back to our channel Life of Latif. Today we are going to my hometown, that is near Kavali from Bangalore. Today the special is like I am wearing riding jacket and riding pant. Time is around 11:50. We are now at tin factory. Here little bit traffic is there. Till Kayarpuram it will be there. Once we cross Kayarpuram, traffic will reduce. So from there onwards we will go on highway. We'll get onto the highway and then we'll go. Now we are entering Kayarpuram ropeway bridge. This is like an iconic bridge to Bangalore. Awesome bridge. You can see here. This one is ITA gate. This one is Kayarpuram. Here little bit traffic would be there. Once we cross this place, then there are two more signals. We'll be on highway. Now we are on the highway. We crossed all the signals. Yeah, this traffic could be there till next toll gate. Once we cross the toll gate, then there won't be much traffic. Yeah, this view is awesome actually. Here one lake is there this side, right side. Yeah, cloudy. It seems it's going to rain. See the clouds, the big black clouds. If it rains, then it will be difficult for me to record actually. I have to remove the GoPro and keep it inside my bag. This is the toll gate. Once we cross this toll gate, then yeah, we are free to go. If we go left side, then we'll go to Hoskote. Here you could see, right, one route. This road also we can go to AP, and yeah, in this road also you can go. So this road is highway actually, 4-line, but that road is only 2-line. But this road goes to over Tirupati, Chittoor, Tirupati, Nayadpeta, like that. That side it will goes to Madanapalli, Kadapa, like that. We can go to Kavali from this route and also from that route. I am constantly going at 100. Yeah, sometimes it's crossing 100 also. Today atmosphere is very nice. If it rains, then driving in rain also very nice. But I won't be able to record actually. That is the only problem. Otherwise, yeah, I like to drive in rain also. Here one company is there, Medric. Around 13 years back, this also 2-line. At time it used to take a lot of time to come from Kavali. Now it is converted to 4-line. Yeah, initially 4-line was up to Karnataka border only. From there onwards it was 2-line only. It used to take a lot of time to come from Kavali to Bangalore and vice versa. Recently, around 1.5 years back only, 4-line road completed from Andhra border to Tirupati. Yeah, very nice actually that road. Previously only 2-line. I mean, if two-wheeler going on the road also, you won't be able to overtake. Oncoming traffic would be huge, difficult to go on that road. Here some resorts are there. If somebody want to stay here, then they can stay here. Big resort. Here on big statue is there. I don't know what is that statue. Image it. See the beauty, man. See, road directly going in hills. It's like that. See the beauty. Big boulders are there. Long time ago, this also might be the normal hill. Maybe because of rains, the mud might have washed away and the stones came outside. See this guy, Splendor is going at 100. From here, Mullabagal 33, Kolar 3, Malur 26. Milk and Silk City, Kolar. Karnataka, actually each city, whatever famous in that place, based on that they will give the names. Kai city, if you go towards Mysore, right, there you can see a lot of names like this, famous at that place. From here, if we take left turn and then U-turn and then go inside, right, this side, then we'll go to Kolar. You know the movie KGF, Kannada, very famous movie. That is that story is revolving around the Kolar goldfields. That is called KGF. The name came from the Kolar goldfields. After we started from home, now only I am seeing sunlight. Till now we are under the shade of clouds. Again we are going under the shade of clouds. Lord Sri Ram. See this building. When we are coming from Bangalore, we can get Shell petrol bunk is there and shopping malls are there. Yeah, you can have lunch or breakfast here. We successfully crossed second toll gate, that is Hoskote toll gate. To take small break. Here Tirupati is 158, Mulbagil 7, Avani 6.5. Madhavani is left side, Avani is right side. We go left side, then we will go to Mulbagil. See this court complex Mulbagil, so big, man. And Mulbagil is having very big court complex. I don't know, so many court cases are pending here or what. First Kolar comes, then from Kolar Mulbagil comes, then the road from Mulbagil comes and join here. Chittoor from here 62. This is the last village, I think, seems. Yeah, maybe in between some houses might be there, but little bit big village is this one only, Nangali. This village or small town name is Nangali. Market is there. This is last toll gate in Karnataka. So we cross this toll gate. Just a few meters after onwards, it will be Andhra. Till that boat is there, right? Till there. From there onwards, recently made actually. See Chittoor 66, Tirupati 131. This one is small industrial area. You can see lot of small companies. Few more companies are under construction. See the beauty, man. See the hills. Awesome hills. This view is awesome. Road also very nice. The problem with road is it's not even actually, it's uneven. Ups and downs are there. Looking purpose it looks very nice, but for driving it's not good. In Bangalore I purchased custard apple and I collected all the seeds. Just want to sow the seeds somewhere in the forest. This all forest vehicle is there. We will go and sow so that they can grow as a tree and bear fruits. I don't have any instrument to dig and bury the seeds. I don't know, some kind of, I don't know. I am digging small holes so that I can place seeds inside them and bury them, so that if it rains then they may sprout. At least one seed becomes a plant and become a tree, then my mission is successful. Hopefully at least one will grow. See, that is a road. I am burying the seeds far away from the road so that even road extension comes, the plants won't be cut. See, these are the seeds I am placing inside the pits. Yeah, generally we have to place one only. I am placing 2, 3. Maybe because, yeah, if one among all of them, one grows also, my mission is successful. Yeah, I am burying the seeds with the mud. Hopefully they will grow once it rains. One plant is enough to make this mission successful. Total 5. I placed a lot of seeds. We'll see next time, maybe after 6 months or 1 year, I will remember this place and I will see how many plants grow. Finally I planted seeds here in forest. Hopefully they will grow. You can see custard apple. See that side. All these people, right, go and
plucked from the forest. This is all forest actually. This is all forest. So they'll get the fruits from there and then they'll sell on the road. See that side. So many people are there. Kuppam, so that side. From here, if we want to go to Palamaneer, we have to take right turn. Straight Chennai 209, Tirupati 112. See this statue, man. So big. Very big. I don't know who have that much money to construct that much big statues. Both sides of the road they put street lights. It looks amazing. Zing zing, amazing. Just now I saw lot of tomatoes are thrown on the road. Here right in this season most of the farmers harvest tomatoes only. I don't know why they do. Every year, right, the rates will go down and then they will throw the tomatoes onto the road. Here the road is little bit dangerous. If somebody who doesn't know about the road and then came fast, right, then they will be dumped here. The turnings are very sharp. See the turning there. If you go very fast, then it's very difficult to control. Even for the cars who doesn't have ESP, right, then for them also see the turning. Very dangerous turnings. See their beauty, man. Awesome, no? That's why they kept this warning boards at each and every corner. See the beauty here. Wow, so nice. We are near to Chittoor bypass, just a few kilometers away. See the coconut plantation. How beautiful it is. So nice. There are good places in Andhra also. Why, I mean, they're not developing tourism in Andhra. They can make hill stations here. I'm not sure why. See, man, it's very beautiful here. Tourism can be developed at these kind of places. So finally we reached toll gate before Chittoor. Road started from Karnataka border, right? From there till here the cement road is there, right? For that we have to pay toll. From here 4 lane is becoming 2 lane. Here the road is still under construction. So here if we go straight it will go to Chittoor city, and the dead end we have to take right turn to go to Chennai. Here we have to take left turn to go to Tirupati. So now we are also going to take left turn. See the rock hill, man. Super, man. Very big rock hill. Last time when I came from Bangalore to home, right, that time I kept this as thumbnail, that one, but that was in Telugu, so some people understand Telugu language. It seems some people are, I mean, other than Telugu people also there as my subscribers to my YouTube channel, so that's why I'm doing English vlogs also. I hope they will like it. See the beauty, man. Awesome, right, this road. There is 6 lane from here onwards. See the road. Awesome, right? Now the time is 3:11. See the beauty of the thing, man. Awesome. See this, that side.
So many hills are there. See that side. We can come up with some kind of tourist. They can see this. So many hills are there. We can make it as tourist destination. See man, see this mountain range. Why, I mean, see, so nice. Why can't we develop tourism with this kind of nature we already have in our whole state? This kind of beauty we are missing. We are throwing gems and then we are going out and we are trying to pick pebbles. See the beauty. The road, see the road. How nice it is. I've been getting the same thought. I'm telling the same thing again and again. Why? Because to enjoy this kind of nature, we are going to other states. So we are traveling a lot of distance actually. This one is 5th toll plaza in our today's journey. See the beauty, man. So nice. Just to enjoy this kind of nature only, I always come on this road. So nice. Last time I ate here, it's not at all good. It looks very yummy, but taste is very bad. I mean, taste wise it's not at all tasteful. I'm not able to eat whatever they kept. No need to ask extra rice also.
Just now rain stopped, so now I'm starting from here. 4-7. Full traffic is there. Chalo.
See the beauty of nature here, man. So awesome. Surrounded by our hills. Super view, right?
Right, see the hill station. The sunshine is falling on the hills and see how it is reflecting. So nice, right? Whatever you are seeing here, right, these all are Tirumala hills. We call them as 7 hills. So nice, right? Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam, TTD. Sri Lord Venkateshwara is present on top of those hills. So nice, right? Tirumala Giris, Tirumala Hills. So from there we will take right turn. So that is Tirupati bypass. Now we are on Tirupati bypass. So you can see Tirumala Giris. Very nice. We have to go around 10 to 15 kilometers on this road. Then we have to take left turn there. See this side, full black clouds. If it starts raining, then it won't even stop. So from here, if you want to go to Tirupati or Tirumala, we can go left side so that we can go to Tirupati and then Tirumala also. Here we have to take right turn to go to Srikalahasti Nayadpeta.
If you go straight, then it will go to Kadapa. Here big traffic jam is there, probably because of the bottleneck there at that bridge. If you go right side, then we'll go to Gannavaram airport. Finally we reached Srikalahasti. If we go straight, then we can go inside Srikalahasti. There a big temple is there, Shiva temple. So I'm going left. This one is Swarnamukhi river. Now it is dried, no water present. Here I think they are going to construct another bridge. That's why they are cleaning the river bed. So that is Kalahasti. You can see, right, that temple tower. That is Kalahasti temple. Finally we came to Nayadpeta. Time is 5:33. So we are reached Nayadpeta. From here we have to take right turn and then left turn on the highway. Here we have to take left turn to go to Nellore and right turn to go to Chennai. See, there also police are there. I think somebody came to Tirumala. Somebody was asking for lift, but actually I tied a backside.